In this video we're going to show you how to remove the radio, CD player and monitor from Audi 2009 A4, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this socket size 8mm and a Torx screwdriver, and then plus this blue dashboard removal tool and the two hooks which is similar to this one, or you can make it yourself, which we're using it for removing the vent. In the first step you pop up the bezel around the monitor. By the way, we already made everything loose. This is just for the demo only, so when you need to apply a little bit more pressure to get it out. It does not have any screws, you just have to pop it up, and there is only one connector, so then you put this one on the side. And now in the second step you need to remove the vent. The way you put it, you insert your hook on the driver's side. It's a third row vent on the driver's side, and then you go inside that vent assembly and the third row, and you put your hook toward the driver's side. There is a little cavity, the hole, and then you put your hook in there, and you do the same thing on the passenger side, or you can do it at the same time. Once you insert it in there, you push it to the right, and then you pull it forward. You have to pull it hard because the clips are engaged. And then, as you can see, you can go inside this hole and then you pull it forward, and you do the same thing for the driver's side. And it has only one connector which you disconnect. Now in the other steps, we have to remove the AC control underneath the radio. This one you just use your dashboard removal tool and then just pop it off. It does not have any screws, and you just lay it down, and then the mounting screws, actually the bolts, 4 of them are exposed. These are size 8mm bolts, 4 of them. Once you get these 4 bolts out, and then you can remove the radio and the CD player. To remove the monitor, as you can see, it has a Torx screw size T20. Once you get these 4 screws out, and then you can remove the monitor as well. If you need any repair for the monitor, radio, CD player, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085. Thank you.